Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Windows File System Proxy A64 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Avoid long manual edits for Windows File System Proxy A64 by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Windows File System Proxy A64, the ARM64 implementation of the Windows File System Proxy. It allows ARM-based Windows devices like the Surface Pro X to mount virtual drives. If missing, cloud storage tools on ARM hardware will fail to mount volumes, reporting a binary architecture mismatch, or module failed to load. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The Windows File System Proxy A64 DLL library is a critical dependency of the WinFSP Project framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Windows File System Proxy A64. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM //cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A quick safety warning: never download files like Windows File System Proxy A64 DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Windows File System Proxy A64 related issues. If your workstation is back online and Windows File System Proxy A64 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.